How to make Facebook profile private to non-friends only. Now let's not waste any more time and head right to it. First, you open the Facebook ad. Once you open the app itself, here you have to click on the top three lines. Once you click on the top three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy, and you have to choose settings. Once your setting is open, here you'll find an option of privacy checkup. Click on privacy checkup and then click on how people can find your profile. Once you click on that, you have to click on continue, and there who can send you friend request, you have to click on that and click on friends on friends. Once you save that, you have to click on next. Then people with your email address, you have to click on no one, and people with your phone number, you have to click on no one, and you have to save it and click on next. And then, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link with your profile through Google or any other ways possible? You have to turn that off and then click on next, and you are all set. And this is how you can make a Facebook profile private to non-friends. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.